we dus even op de rechtswerking Friesian Talent Cup. Dat is natuurlijk aanlegcompetitie Roortische Aarde. We willen de namen en de afstamming van haar nog een keer aangeven. De nummers die zijn gekregen. Maar we kunnen dat vinden in de kaders van wat zijn de 6 en 7 en 8 7. Daar staan de 8 minuten bij de mensen, 8 minuten bij de mensen. Als je daar voor bedankt, inclusief afstamming, anders eigenaar. Nou, zo laat ik het beste moment, de eindverwerking van de laatste editie, want het is de laatste van de Friesian.
This is the last edition of the Friesian Talent Cup, and we will see the winners, the best horses, the best 3 mares and the best 3 stallions or geldings. If you want to see which horses have competed and want to have more information, go to your catalog, page number 76. And we are asking the mares that have won the prizes to enter the arena already. These are all young horses, 3.5 years old. And with this Friesian Talent Cup, they will ride a test where the judges will see their ability to become a dressage horse. Today's judges were Bart Baks, Amber Den Heijer and Jorik Smit. Not only the horses and the riders will be rewarded, but also the breeders and owners of the horses, without whom we could never have these beautiful horses, are invited to come in and will be given a prize as well. Without the breeders, we wouldn't have the horses. And the horses who got selected for the prizes are Malou van Friesenhof with rider Sabine van Loenhorst. Catalog number 4, Mies I van de Sprong with rider Fleur van Kempen. And catalog number 6, Magnifique van Stal Brandsma with rider Monique Brandsma. It's the last time we organized this competition. This competition for young horses is showing their ability and talent for dressage, and this is a good opportunity for breeders and owners to see what their horses could be capable of in the future. And Wendy van der Veen and Frederike van der Haar are explaining about how the Friesian Talent Cup has started, who are the board members, and honoring also the photographer Ingrid, who is making great pictures of all the horses, also present here today. An interesting fact is that from the 3 mares that are walking around here in the arena, these horses are already crowned, which means they've already shown their ability to become dressage horse. And from the riders, already 2 people have won this competition before. We shouldn't forget a few years ago when the pandemic was here, was a very special time for all the people, but we're able to organize a competition for Friesian Talent Cup as well. And thankful for that. And a great compliment as well for everybody who joined in the competition. Everybody left with a smile, even though you didn't win anything. There's a good atmosphere between all the competitors. Looking at the mares, Amber den Heijer, Jurk Smit and Bart Baks have been the judges for today. And about the horses, can be said that there was a high quality to be seen, especially these young horses in such an atmosphere. Third place is for a horse that had a good length in the stride and a nice rhythm in the walk. And a spacious trot for this horse, but could use a little bit more uphill movement. A good canter with a good uphill movement. Number 3, Magnifique van Stal Brandsma with rider Monique Brandsma. Two combinations left, and I will explain both of them. After that, we will know who is the champion. First horse performed really well, a nice performance, a good rhythm in the walk, and a good use of the body. Excellent leg work in the trot. Uphill canter with a lot of space and a lot of suppleness. And the other horse showed really well. Very uphill in the movement, very spacious walk. A good self-carriage in the trot and a very good rhythm. And an excellent technique in the canter with an uphill movement, but could use a little bit more power, a little bit more strength. Malou van Friesenhof together with Sabine van Loendhorst. And second, Miss I van de Sprong with rider Fleur van Kempen.
Ja, volgens NHB's Kom en kampioen nummer 2 van Friesland Alpaard. The
breeders and owners are invited in, and the winner of the mares catalog number 2, Malou van Friesenhof Altmark, bred and owned by the family Elling. Family Elling honored, together with rider Sabine van de Leenhorst and the excellent performing mare Malou van Friesenhof.
Uiteraard vieren ook de beroemde van de Blondie. Malou van 10.501. De moedersport, de belangrijke zwartje op is al allemaal. Als je nog van boven 4
And the winning mare, Malou van Friesenhof Altmark, is sired by Tide 501 Coming from Swantje van Friesenhof, a Stadbook Model Sport Double A mare coming from Wolfert 467.
En ook laatste de
Second place, Mies I van de Sprong, sired by Teun and mother's father Pier. Number 3, Magnifique van Stal Brandsma, Cadillac number 6, sired by Ulbren 502 and mother's father Olof 315. And this is, of course, also the moment for breeders and owners for having such a talented horse. Also nice to know is that hopefully this spring there will be a foal for this winning mare. Lap of honor.
De silver voor Mies van de Sprong, de bronzen voor Magnifique van Stal Brandsma. We komen even weg.
And we will continue with the stallions that got selected for the prize giving. It's good to see that talent will actually be given to the next generation if we look at the breeding of these horses. Invited in the arena, Cadillac number 10, Matti P. van Dulven. Cadillac number 13, Olop van Over den Graaf. And Cadillac number 14, Orion of Sotte Mosegaard. going to let you know the results. Some very beautiful, appealing horses to watch. The third place, a nice presented horse, and especially the walk was excellent. A lot of suppleness, a lot of movement from the shoulder, a good rhythm in the trot, proper technique, but could use a little bit more balance when lengthening the neck. A good and spacious canter for this horse as well. Third place, catalog number 13, Olop van Over den Graaf with rider Janna Kes. Now, number 2 and number 1. The comments about these horses. Very steady horses. With one horse, active walk. Could use a little bit more space from the shoulder. A good uphill trot. And a nice image with stretching the neck. A lot of balance and self-carriage in the canter. The other horse, impressive stallion, with a good walk, but could use a little bit more suppleness. Good technique in the trot and self-carriage, and also the canter, a good self-carriage and space. The champion, Matti P. van Dulven, number 1. And then the reserve champion will be Orion van Sorte-Mozegaert. The winner of the stallions, catalog number 10, Matti P. van Dulven. Star stallion, ridden by Marijke Boelen. And this horse is sired by Pier 448 and mother's father, Jasper 366. And we are inviting in the breeders and owners of these horses. Matti P., a son of Pier, bred by the family van Tilburg and owned by Stoeterij Galopper. And of course a beautiful second place for Orion van Sorte-Mozegaert and a third place for Olop van Over den Graaf. Orion, catalog number 14, second place, sired by Ulbran 502 and mother's father Hessel 480. Bred by Stoeterij Sorte-Mozegaert and owned by the family Okkema. Ridder by Vai Bruntink and the number 3, Olop van Over den Graaf. Ridden by Janna Kes, sired by Chebbe 500 and mother's father is Hessel 480. Bred by the family Den Haan and owned by the family Kes. And look how beautiful these young Friesian horses are. Excellent representation of the breed and a candy to the eye to watch today. And this is how we make the modern dressage horse from the Friesian period.
Maar nog steeds meer en meer Friesen actief in het zien.
Developing more and more into a modern horse that can compete excellent in dressage.
Kampioen dus Matti P. van Delft. Bekende Hongarije. Bekende Hongarije van
Champion Matti P. van Dulve, bred by the family van Tilburg and owned by Stoeterij Galopper, who are also honored for breeding this horse.
Op de hekskeuring van KFPS. Het duurt 1 jaar, 145 jaar KFPS. Wanneer de baantjes zo laat gemaakt zijn, dan gaan we nog eens even naar de terugtreden. Met de prijzen die ze al hadden hebben gekregen, nogmaals, we zijn eigenlijk al hartelijk bedankt voor jezelf.
And the pictures are taken, so we are getting ready for a lap of honor. Here they are, champion Matti P. van Dulve with Marijke Boelem. We are inviting back in the two champions. And these are the two best horses in the Friesian Talent Cup. Coming back in for a final lap of honor. Look at them go, the champions of the Friesian Talent Cup. With a big thank you to the whole team who put themselves in front to get all of this done, the whole competition. That was the last edition of the Friesian Talent Cup, and we will continue soon with the third group of the second inspection for Stabboek Stallions. In Group 3, we will have horses sired by Alwyn 469, Jouwe 485, Eise 489, and Omer 493. In a moment, the third group of the second inspection.